Hello everyone, welcome to Life Science Notespedia. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about ribozyme and enzyme. So let's get into it. Ribozyme. Ribozymes are the RNA molecules that are capable of catalyzing specific biochemical reactions similar to the action of protein enzymes. Within the ribosome, ribozyme functions as a part of large subunit ribosomal RNA to link amino acid during the protein synthesis or translation. In 1982, discovery of ribozyme demonstrated that RNA can be both genetic material and biological catalyst like protein enzymes, and contributed to the RNA world a hypothesis which suggests that RNA may have been important in the evolution of prebiotic self-replicating system. The example of ribozyme includes hammerhead ribozyme, hairpin ribozyme, rRNA, which is found in all living cells and links amino acid to form proteins. The first ribozyme discovered in the early 1980s. Ribozymes have been proposed and developed for the treatment of many diseases through gene therapy. Several classes of RNA show their catalytic activity, such as type 1 intron, type 2 intron, RNase protein, and etc. So this is the main theory about the ribozyme, and now let's get into the enzymes. So we discussed about the ribozyme, and now it's time to discuss about enzyme. The term enzymes are used for those antibodies which catalyze enzymatic reactions, or they are the enzyme but acting as antibody. The name enzyme itself shows Eb plus zymes. Eb means antibody and zymes means enzymes. Monoclonal antibodies are also used as enzymes. Important success in the production of enzymes catalyzing following reactions have been achieved: carbon-carbon bond formation, carbon-carbon bond cleavage, and transfer reactions. Enzymes are also known as CATMAB, which means catalytic monoclonal antibody. Enzymes are generally raised in the lab animals immunized with synthetic hapten molecules, but some natural enzymes can be found in normal human and in patients with autoimmune disorders. So this is the whole theory about the enzymes, which you can include in your exams as a short notes. So thank you everyone for joining us. Please like, comment and share the video, and please subscribe our channel and ring the bell icon for further updates. In case you want handwritten notes of any topics of the life science, you can go through our website. The link of the website will be in the description box below, or you can also mail me at lifesciencenotespedia@gmail.com. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep updated yourself. Thank you.